Hi third graders, it's Mrs. Bowden. I'm outside about to do a recorder lesson for you because it's such a beautiful day, and in case any of you are interested in earning your green belt, you can do it at home, okay? I'm going to teach you the fourth song in recorder karate. It's called It's Raining, It's Pouring, and if you don't know the song, it goes like this. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. Of course, it's a beautiful day. It's not raining, but that's how the song goes. Anyway, you are first going to make sure that your recorder is very clean. Clean it with soap and warm water. Make sure it's dry on the inside. Shake it, shake it, shake it, okay? And we are going to be adding a note in this song. And we're going to be adding the right hand. Yay, finally, okay? So put your fingers in G position. And then I want you to take your right hand and make sure your thumb is placed in the back properly. So you put your first finger of your right hand down and then your second finger because you're going to play the note E, okay? The first thing I'd like you to do is go to B, keep your hands in this position, and just play B, A, G, F, E. It sounds like this. Doesn't sound so pretty, but it's just for practice. Try it. Ready, go. B, A, G, F, E. When you play E, make sure your jaw is very relaxed, okay? Very relaxed. Okay, we're gonna play half notes. Just practicing on E, like this. Let me play, and then you echo me. One, two, ready, play. Good. Now we're going to play quarter notes, like this. Again, with a relaxed jaw. Ready, play. Okay, now if you have that, if you don't, just rewind it, practice a few times. We're going to go from G, G3 to E. G, E on half notes. G, E. 2 beats for each one, like this. Because those notes going back and forth are going to be played throughout the song. Let me play it for you once. Just listen. Here it goes. We come in on count 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3. It's raining. So here I go. 1, 2, 3. If you find in the second line, went to bed and he bumped his head, that's G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E. If you find those eighth notes going from E to A too tricky, E, A, you can do this instead to simplify it. I don't mind if you take out the A and just do E, or sorry, G, G, E, 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 G, G, E. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna play measure by measure, and you're gonna echo me, okay? So I'll actually play 2 measures first. From the beginning. Ooh, sorry about that. I don't know what's wrong with my recorder, sorry. I think there's still water in there. There we go. Let's try that again. One, two, three. Just try that much, starting on G. 1, 2, 3. G, G, E, A, G, E. Now try it just stopping on A, like this. One, two, ready, go. G, G, E, A. Okay? Now let's play the whole first line. And again, you can always rewind and practice, until you're ready to move on. Here we go. Okay? Now the second line. G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E. If you want that challenge, stop on A, like this. Okay, again. But just blow gently. If you don't want the challenge, this is what you would play. Or okay, and I will accept that. So practice and have your parents or sibling record you when you're ready. Send it to me by email, and I will send you a certificate, okay? Which is kind of exciting and fun, so happy practicing. Again, any questions, just have your families email me, all right? I'm here for you. Okay, miss you guys.